So today we will clean these coins. Combine acid and sanitizers campal. And see. The condition of these coins is very bad. What is new to them? But I have told you earlier that this money is new or old, but their value is less or less. The value of a person may be less than low, but the value of money is less new. But I have told you before that this money is new or old, but their value is low or disinfected. The value of a person can be less, but the value of money is less new. In the age of time, friends are from the value of a human being. If you have money, everyone will value you. Come everywhere, let's come to work. So let's see if we can clear them. So after clearing friends, look at their condition, they look brand new. So look, now their value and their price is so much, but it is that they look brand new and look very cute. Friends, more subscribe to our channel to know the information about the currency. If you like the video, you will definitely like the video and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this, and subscribe to our channel to know more about the different currency of the world.